I don't know what I'm going to do. A bad boy is here. I don't feel scared though. This gentleman is a musical icon. Ian Lewis, member of the Inner Circle Band, is now a recipient of the Order of Distinction Officer Class. And he's here to talk to us, reminisce about the musical years leading up to this national honor. Good morning, sir. It is our honor to have you here.
Well, it's a pleasure to be in the sunny island of Jamaica.
I know. How often are you home?
We travel. It's ironic. It took us 16 hours to get here to come to this event.
Oh my gosh. Flying from where?
We was in Santiago, Chile.
Wow.
We went to do a big festival down there.
Okay.
And they had a revolution.
Yes.
So it's that paranoia to get out of the city. So the guy said to us, "You guys okay?" I said, "Yo, Jamaica will come from it."
We're all right. Yeah,
soon
they're still
come, just
protesting
cool.
this morning, which is, I'm glad you guys got out on time. What does it feel like to be honored by your country in this way?
Well, it's a hell of a feeling. It's a bit more symbolic in the sense that, we have gotten a Grammy Award already, nominated twice, but we got it once. And I mean, that's all like, hype and the cameras, and this was a little more, in terms of official, announcement, because, it's different people getting different awards, but to be there amongst, people of the whole strata of Jamaica society is what made me feel like, you're home.
Fantastic.
You know what I mean?
That's lovely. This band has had a lot of ups, a heap of downs, but you're still around. 68. Tell me how the band came together. So it was yourself and your brother, Roger.
Yeah, well, originally all of us was, JC, was Jamaica College Road School we went, and there was Michael Cooper, Ibu Cooper. A lot of people don't know that Third World came out of Inner Circle, because all of us was, in that realm, Cat, that is Stephen Core.
Yeah.
We lived on the university. My father was the assistant library at university for many years. So we grew around that whole pastures, Mona, that whole era. So in those days, you had Byron Lee, the Mighty Vikings as the bands as such, playing cover songs of, people's music. So that's how they would, make their living. But we as younger growing up, we listen to more, American, different kind of music to say, how can we flip it and change it to, to play it just a little different. So we really came out of that era, and I say, Third World evolved, after everybody was making a change to try and play more original music. Because as I say, it was more musician and band orientated, not like now where it's more individual singers and people trying to really get the message out. But
so when the members left, when Michael Cooper left, Kat left,
well,
Daly,
it was just Cooper, and there was the drummer to William Stewart, who's
right,
actually Byron's half brother.
Gosh, yeah.
So that was the three really core members of the band at that time. So me and my brother really just regrouped, because there was
This was in 73.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We went to San Francisco to do some, like a backup band thing with Toots Animators and Dennis Brown. So what happened in essence is that we got there, we did the shows. It was a Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. But the Friday and the Saturday was, very poorly attended. But the Sunday was the big night. So the guy paid everybody, and we couldn't get back to Jamaica. Because first thing first, when him tell me about San Francisco, I know New York and Miami. When the man tell me I gotta fly 5 hours more, I'm thinking I'm going to the end of the earth. Because, you're fresh out of school, Jamaica, you're high to go on the plane, you don't really know what's happening. So when we got there, and the scenario happened, the guy said, well, sorry to tell you guys, you gotta work your way back home. So I said, how are we going to do this? He said, well, we're going to get some club shows and play. So at that time, we met Jakes before, and Jakes was in the band. So the guy said, so you guys got songs? So we said, yeah, man, we have songs, man. Don't worry about it. So my brother looked at Jakes and said, Jakes, what the song is? Jakes said, song? Let's play, we're going to make up some song. So that's when we realized that playing your music that was inside of you people would listen to it because you had no
Fantastic.
concept of that.
I'm
You
telling
understand me?
you. Tell me about how the band changed when Miller joined, when Jacob Miller joined in '76.
Well, Jake's is a man now. He's a one. I don't think another Jacob Miller will ever come. Jake's used to, everywhere we would play, Jake's would come and say, yo, I don't want a real singer, man. It's me, man. Me know for to sing this thing. I mean, he was an unusual person. Jake's come from far, right on Russell Road here. The first day I went to pick up Jake's for come to a rehearsal, I searched in the yard for about 10 minutes. I couldn't find Jake's. The man said, what you look for? I said, Jacob Miller. He said, I'm around the corner around it. When I go around there, Jake's was on a little chair, sleeping. I said, hey, I'm come and look for you. He said, you ready? Ready for music.
Immediately.
Natural.
Yeah.
Natural.
Which
Like it just in his soul. And I think that was kind of what, when the accident happened, that's what kind of hit us so hard.
Yeah.
Because
you broke up. This was 80 when he lost his
it wasn't
life.
just like, all right, a man gone, you can't replace him. The vibe was so, Jake's cook, he laugh, played dominant, you know.
So that was hard to deal with. But you regrouped. You came back together. When did the band decide to come back together? What year was that?
It happened in a funny way because what happened is that, you know, we more said to ourselves, you know, what can we do now? Because you see, what I think a lot of young musicians in Jamaica don't realize. They understand it, but the essence is that reggae music around the world is so powerful. And I don't mean to sound arrogant, but Jamaican people have changed the lifestyle and the living of millions of people and don't realize it subliminally. We have, now here's a German man who speaks esoterical German, and he's coming, yeah, what go on?
Yeah.
I'm going to say, yo, where you from, sir?
Yeah.
Where you come from? He wants to be a Jamaican. Now, did we force this upon him? No, but it's our naturalness and our smoothness as people. You know, we possess this thing which is, as I say,
you can't describe it.
You cannot
It
describe
really is
it.
indescribable.
And I said, that's what Jacob, Bob Marley, that's what these souls have brought to the world, not just to Jamaica. You understand? I mean, I was speaking to this man, and he's saying, oh, you're Jamaican crazy people and Rastafari. I said, listen, Colin Powell's name is not Colin Powell. His name is Colin Powell. Ask him what he is. He has Jamaican heritage in him.
Best believe.
So don't try and disqualify the great things that we as Jamaican people possess.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? I don't mean to distract
No,
from the
not
argument,
at all. It's all
I'm
relevant.
just showing you how the feel of Jakes. Now here's somebody from here so and elevated himself to here so on a natural organic flow, not by, you know what I mean, trying to be this, you know, and I think
that's usually when you're most
right,
successful,
and
is
I
when
think
you're
what
not
happened to the
trying.
music now, it's a little too hyped. I think we need to just slow it down and go a little back to the more organic way where we emulated this inner feeling to let people know, because that's what we did first, you know. We magnetized them with the culture.
Yeah.
And the food, I want some of the
Well,
jerk
so,
chicken,
yeah,
one with some of the fish there. And I said, where you come from? Sweden. You know?
We're getting more time? All right, we get a little more time because this story is just too interesting. All right, so tell me what's going on with the band now.
Well, right now, we're gearing up for, you know, as I said, we did just finishing a big South American tour. And we're kind of taking a little time off because Bad Boys 3 is now going to be released in January.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
It's going to be humongous. And to see that the Little Inner Circle from Jamaica sang Bad Boys, at 24 years it's on television
It's iconic
in America.
now.
It's
Yeah,
a subculture.
of course.
We, you know, I mean, sometimes, like I was speaking to a young girl yesterday. She's about 25. And she said, Inner Circle, right? I said, yeah. So she said, it's funny, can I tell you something that's true? I said, what the hell this girl going to tell me now? She said, I know all your music, but I don't know you. I said, yeah. I said, but you don't see us on social media. She said, yeah, but I don't know you. So it's a funny thing that when you span the generations,
Yeah.
and then you come, the music is living, and the thing is there, but they might physically know you, like you know, somebody might say, so, oh, bad, oh yeah. Because VH1 in America did a big story on us. But it wasn't exactly on us. It's one hit wonders of the world. So I'm watching, said, damn, we on big TV in America now, I'm watching. So okay, Bad Boys, nothing else. I said, so what happened to Sweat?
I know, right?
Which is an equally big song. So I'm
It's
saying,
playing right now. But the truth is that, I mean, you can't even hate on that, because what that song has done for the band is that it has created awareness in people who never had it before. And so, yes, she knows the music, she doesn't know you, because the music is so much, it's bigger, the talent is bigger than all of us, eh?
Right.
And the music is larger than even who we are.
I just think, as I say, when she told me I'm going to come on TV, I want to announce to all the people who have aspirations to come into the music and do it, right? Must understand one thing. Anytime you have something good, people try to what? Take it away.
Yeah.
And they must be cognizant of the fact that we don't want them to take away reggae music. And right now, there's a revolution to take away reggae music. I don't know if it's purpose. I don't know if it's done, you know, for that reason. But the reason seems to me is a replacement thing. Because there's thousands of people playing reggae music all over the world. So it's
Israel,
coming up to the stage
Italy,
where when they get to their demographic and their focus, we can be, you know what I mean? I don't say totally eliminated, but we have to watch it, because we have to keep our things real.
I'm telling you, because people getting credit for things now that is not them do. We hear you, Sir Ian, loud and clear.
Thing, the unification, we have to. It must be a priority.
Yeah, big talk coming from Ian Lewis this morning. Lots of salient points. Protect our own, stick together, cultural propriety.
We have to, no matter what we denomination, whatever.
Yes.
We got to hold on to our reggae music.
Yes, we have to go, sir. I could sit and talk to you all morning, but the producer is telling me to take the break. So thank you for coming in this morning.
Thank you.
Congratulations. And, honor to talk to you. Ian Lewis, member of the Inner Circle Band.
Love you, you know?
And now national awardee. We're going to wrap things up after this break. We'll soon come back.
Godson, are you that? Give thanks to Circle Family.